In this video, I'll show you how to get the Netflix app you're looking for on your LG Smart TV. You should find it in the LG Content Store over here, but many users don't have access to it. So usually you should see it over here or it should be showing over here. If you don't see it, well, all you have to do is take your remote control and press this wheel over here. You may have it located on a different button on your remote, but it should look like this one. A menu will come up on the right side. You need to go on the last option, All Settings. Click the OK button on your remote control. And it will bring a new menu on the left side. Okay. You need to go down to General. Then go in the General menu and go to Location. It should be the second one right here. And press OK. Now press OK again. And you'll be able to select a different location than where you are actually located, because some region of the world doesn't support the Netflix app in the LG Content Store. You can easily change it. Here I'm located in Canada, so Canada is selected, but you can choose Mexico, USA, and sometimes you can also have a really long list of all of the countries possible. I'll suggest you choose France or England if you have a longer list available. Once you select another country, it will give you a warning message over here that the TV has to restart. Simply go and select yes and press the OK button. Your TV will now restart for a few seconds. It should not take more than a minute or two. And once you're done, you'll be able to go on the LG Store content of the country that you selected and find the Netflix app over there. Then what you need to do is download it. And finally, you can go back and change the country to your original country. So you can go back and the app will actually stay right here. Once it's installed, it will stay there, even if you go back to your original country. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, give a like, and maybe even comment if this was working for you.